Introducing the latest innovations from the Scolmore Group Spec Solutions, transforming the commercial sector with efficiency and style. From fundamental wiring accessories to state-of-the-art fire and security systems, we offer everything your business requires to thrive. Let's start with our click wiring accessories. Whether it's sleek design or antimicrobial properties, our products ensure that your commercial environment is both safe and visually appealing. Grip Pro systems provide exceptional flexibility, enabling seamless customization for any commercial environment, making them ideal solutions for modern workplaces. Our metal-clad sockets are renowned for their durability, ensuring long-lasting performance in any commercial setting. Our Elucian consumer units and protective devices are the pinnacle of safety and reliability for a company's electrical system. Ovia Lighting presents a comprehensive suite of commercial lighting solutions tailored to elevate any commercial space. From contemporary panel lighting to our sleek linear range, we cater to all your business needs. With our state-of-the-art LED lighting, not only do we deliver exceptional illumination, but also uphold a commitment to energy efficiency and sustainability. ESB offers fire and security solutions, featuring emergency lighting, aperture stations, and cutting-edge 360-degree pan cameras, ensuring complete protection for any business premises. We also offer comprehensive fire safety solutions with our Mag Duo and Mag Fire systems, providing peace of mind for commercial properties. And for all your electrical accessory needs, look no further than Unicrimp. From connectors to cable management solutions, Unicrimp offers everything you need to keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. Discover the future of commercial environments with Scolmore Group Spec Solutions, delivering innovation straight to your business.